How to remain a real Wayne at Publix. It's tutorial. Let's go. Let's start off right here, right? They got the trunk open. Hey, it's the first time I seen this. They got a trunk open. I don't know. Y'all tell me. Should I help close it or I should go? No, it's a tutorial. Let's keep it moving. Hey, girl, what's up, girl? Looking all beautiful. What you do that for me today? Looking like Valentine's today, girl. Can't let them get too far. It's crazy work. Oh, hey, they try to run you over. They definitely try to run you over. I appreciate you not running me over, bro.
Damn.
Tutorial. How to remain real in that Publix. They get kind of crazy when they traffic call. They can't touch me. I'm blessed. We blessed. Hey, it's a tutorial. This is crazy work. What do I start from? Where do I start? What's up? Hey, girl. Say hello to my life. Looking all good, girl. What's up, girl? You miss me? Yeah, you miss me. Let's start there. Do your homework. Let's start there. What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up, girl? You miss me? It's me, the ruler. What's up, man? EA Sports. It's in the game. What's up, man? You doing all right? There's a lot of people in the Publix line. They either want chicken or they want sandwiches. Either way, it's bad. They be trying to run people over. Look at this. It's Rick the Ruler. Where do we start? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's like 13 people. I don't know what the hell. I'm about to go the other way on it. I'm hungry, bro. Oh, damn, I found one. Let's get to work. Rick the Ruler. What's up, girl? You doing all right? Hola. Hola. Say hello to my life. You don't want to talk to me? She said, hey, hey, that mean you down bad. When you do all that, you down bad. I mean, life is not going your way. Hey, man. Hey, take care of yourself. You can't be that bad. Hey, how you doing? Gotta end it this way. Hey, it's Rick the Ruler. What's up? What's up, girl? Say hello to my life. She don't speak English.
Oh, man.
Rick the Ruler.